watched my earlier dalma recipe which I had posted in my channel. Today's video is also a dalma recipe but with a twist. This is made not with the toor dal but with the other dal which is frequently used in India, the moong dal. So this is called the Muga Dalma. So let's get started to see what are all the ingredients required to make this very tasty Muga Dalma. Please note this tastes very well with rice, and if you just add a dollop of ghee to this, you will never forget this taste. Believe me. So let's get started. To prepare Muga Dalma or Moong Dalma, I have taken about 100 grams of moong dal. This is the split moong dal, and about a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, roasted cumin powder. The process is you have to dry roast the cumin and pound it with a mortar and pestle, and if you are doing it in a larger quantity you can use mixer grinder to grind the same. So this is that cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, and roasted red chili powder. This is also the same process. Dry roast the red chilies and pound them, or if you are doing it in a larger quantity you can use mixer grinder. And in vegetables, long beans I have taken about 1 cup, and 1 large potato I have peeled and chopped and soaked it in water to lose the starch. 1 large tomato I have chopped into bigger chunks, and this is yellow pumpkin, about 1 cup, and 2 small brinjal, eggplant. So this I have soaked it in water, and oil for tempering. So let's first start off with the process. Light the stove, take a kadai, let it get hot, add the moong dal to it and dry roast it till you get a aroma, or the raw smell from the moong dal goes away. Moong dal has this inherent smell, light raw smell, so we are doing this process to lose that smell. It will start to brown a little if the flame is very high, so keep the flame medium low. No need to brown it, just roasting it to lose the smell. So this is done. We haven't washed this moong dal, so now I am taking it to a pressure cooker and washing it thoroughly in water. So after washing it I'll come back. So I have washed this in water twice. Now I'm going to add in all the vegetables, the long beans, the potatoes. I'm taking off the potatoes from the soaked water because the soaked water will have starch. Tomatoes, pumpkin, and the eggplant. To this I'm adding turmeric powder, salt, and water. Stirring it in. And let this pressure cook till the dal gets done. Depending on your pressure cooker, you will know the number of whistles for the dal to get done. I'm lighting the stove. Let's pressure cook it, and then we'll come back to the next step. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 bay leaf. So I have let the pressure cooker pressure release. Let's open it and see. See, this is how the moong dalma looks before we do the tempering. So let's do the tempering now. Light the stove. I'm taking the same kadai. Once it's hot, take about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it get hot. And that add in the cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Then add in the bay leaf. Stir it in. Then transfer the Muga Dalma to this. Add sufficient water to get the required consistency. And mix it in. Let it come to a boil.
Once it comes to a boil, add in the roasted cumin powder and mix it in well. The same way, add the red chili powder, roasted and coarsely ground red chili powder, and mix it in. Done. Muga Dalma is ready. Have it with steamed rice and any dry sabji for a very tasty meal.
Hope you all like watching the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for getting more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.